Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Steps to Glam channel. If you ever brought a foundation only to realize it doesn't suit you, maybe it's too orange or creates dry patches or melts off during the day, this video is just for you. Today we will show you how to choose the best foundation for your skin type, the right shade and the perfect texture. There is a lot to cover, so let's get started. The first step in choosing the right makeup shade is to determine your skin undertone. Unlike your skin tone, which can change throughout the year depending on tanning, your undertone remains the same. However, your undertone isn't immediately visible. You need to take a closer look. Don't focus on your face, as various factors can distort the undertone. Instead, look at your wrist or cleavage. This will make it much easier to determine your undertone. And just like that, your path to the perfect makeup is open. So your undertone is a key and does not change. So how do we recognize it? We have cool undertone. Look for blue or purple veins, and silver jewelry suits you best. And then look for makeup labeled with C, like a gold or rose. Then we have a warm undertone. These people has green veins and gold jewelry suits them best. Look for makeup labeled with W as a warm or golden. Next one is a neutral undertone, a mix of all tones, and both gold and silver suits you. Look for makeup labeled with N, like a neutral. And last one is olive undertone. If the veins on your wrist have a bluish green or olive hue, not purely blue or green, this indicates an olive undertone. Olive skin often looks good in both gold and silver jewelry, but may slightly lean toward gold. Look for makeup without orange tones. My wrist veins are green, so my undertone is warm. Before choosing makeup, you need to know your skin type. We have oil skin, dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, and normal skin. If you're unsure, check out my previous video, where I can explain how to determine your skin type in detail. Really, a lot important is to choose the right shade correctly. So, as first step, test the shade on your neck, never on the back of your hand. Your skin tone changes throughout the year, so go for a darker shade in the summer, and the right shade should blend seamlessly into your skin and be invisible. Next step is to choose which makeup texture you want. We have liquid foundation, which is suitable for all skin types, allows for a different level of coverage. Powder foundation, ideal for oil skin, and then cream foundation, more nourishing and it's best for dry skin. Curious about other types of foundation? Check out my Instagram Steps to Glam, I'll be sure to post about it. Now that you know your skin type, undertone and the texture you prefer, I recommend researching online to find brands that meet your requirements. This will help you create a short list of products you want to try. The most important step is choosing the correct makeup shade. The right shade should disappear completely once applied to your skin. That's why you shouldn't test the makeup on the back of your hand or forehead, but rather along your jawline. If it blends seamlessly with both for your face and neck, then it's the one. Always test your foundation in natural daylight. If the store doesn't have good lighting, apply 2 or 3 different shades to your jawline and step outside to check how they look. Ideally, you should test the best matching shade on your entire face and wear it for a few hours, because every foundation reacts differently to your skin, so you can find the best shade, but it may not last for all day on your face. So the best way to find the perfect match is, in my opinion, with the samples. Take them home and test them whenever you want. Can you find the right makeup shade online? Yes. And nowadays there are several great options. For example, on Notino websites you can try virtual mirror. Instantly see how different shades looks on you. Simply click try it on the product image and a virtual mirror will open, showing you how the makeup suits your face. Another option is find your shade, a quiz-based feature that helps you pick the perfect shade. It considers your skin tone, undertone, and how you want your makeup to blend. And then there is a try it first, which is my personal favorite. When you purchase a full-size foundation, you get a free sample. Just select try it first on the product page. If the sample doesn't match your skin tone, you can return the full-size product for free. Amazing, right? Then we have the shades from which we will choose the color of our foundation. Throughout the year, your skin tone will change due to tanning, and that's why you may need a 1 to 2 shades darker foundation in summer than in winter. And now let's take a look on how to apply makeup correctly. You should start from the center of your face and blend outwards. You can use fingers, a brush or a sponge, whatever works best for you. And lighting is a key, and natural daylight is the best. How to make your makeup last longer? Use a primer before foundation. Apply it after your daily moisturizer to help your makeup stick better and last longer. A primer smooths your skin, fills in fine lines, reduces shine, and minimizes the look of pores. It makes foundation apply more evenly, look more natural, and withstand heat, cold, and even rain. Got oily eyelids? A primer will keep your eyeshadow and eyeliner in place all day. Don't forget your lips. A little primer makes lipstick last longer and smooth out fine lines. For oily skin, set your makeup with a light layer of powder and lock it in with a setting spray for all day wear. Products which I'm using are in the video description. And as a last thing in this video, I have to for sure mention also the proper skincare routine. Cleanse your skin before and after makeup to prevent clogged pores from makeup and external pollutions. Nighttime is for the skin recovery. Let your skin breathe and rejuvenate while you sleep. A good skincare routine is the foundation of flawless makeup. Always apply a moisturizer before makeup and let it absorb well. Want to learn more about skincare? Check out my profile for videos on which skincare is essential. I already have 2 videos about skincare. And that's it. I hope that this video helped or will help you to choose the best foundation for you. And if you like it, give it a like, and I really appreciate a subscription too. And let me know in the comments which makeup and brand you love the most. And I can't see you in the next video.